Hey guys, I'm going to do this look using just 5 products. I'm removing all the excess product in the bottle itself before application. I'm applying the concealer wherever I have spots and blemishes. I'm using a damp sponge to blend out all the concealer applied. You can add more product on areas you need more coverage. With whatever's left on the sponge, I'm just applying on my forehead to make my skin look even. I'm setting my under eyes using a loose powder. If you have oily skin, you can set the entire face with a loose powder, but I just like to set the under eyes and my T-zone. Hope you guys found this easy to follow. Please post all your feedbacks and questions in the comment section. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.